Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our Smart Band. To do it, tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the app menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, this one. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and tap on it. And here we have the brightness option. Select it, disable the auto brightness, and then tap on custom. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on the slider. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and then you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch, or rather Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.